Good morning, students. In this video, we are going to start a new method of differentiation. How to find the derivative of one function with respect to another function. In this topic, you are given a function and it is said that differentiate this function with respect to this function. Here you have to not find the differentiation with respect to x but in respect of some other function. See the example. Under this topic, the question is given as find the derivative of e to the power x with respect to under root x. You have to find the derivative of e to the power x with respect to function under root x. So, under this topic, you have to not find the derivative with respect to x, but here the function is given to you in the question that by which function, with respect to which function you have to find the derivative of the given function. So see how to find the derivative of e to the power x with respect to under root x. First we will consider, let u equal e to the power x and v equal under root x. So we have to find derivative of u with respect to under root x, and under root x is v. We have to find here du over dv. Now you see both u and v are the function of x. So du over dv equal du over dx upon dv over dx. This is the method to find the derivative of some function with respect to another function. So first we will find the derivative of u with respect to x. That is d over dx e to the power x equal e to the power x. Now find the derivative of v with respect to x. That is d over dx under root x equal 1 upon 2 x to the power minus 1 by 2 or 1 upon 2 under root x. Now put these values in this equation, we get du over dx equal du over dv equal du over dx upon dv over dx equal e to the power x upon 2 root x. This is your answer. Sorry, dv over dx is 1 upon 2 root x. 1 upon 2 root x. This will go to the numerator. This will become 2 root x e to the power x. This is your answer. See the next question. Differentiate tan inverse under root 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square with respect to cos inverse x square. So first we will consider u equal, let u equal tan inverse under root 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square, and v equal cos inverse x square. Find du over dx. This can be solved by substitution method. So first solve it. U equal, क्या पुट करें x की जगह पे? Put x equal put x square equal cos theta. Then we get u equal tan inverse under root 1 minus cos square theta upon 1 plus cos square theta equal 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta equal tan inverse. This is equals to tan theta by 2. This is tan inverse and this is tan. They will cancel each other. The remaining part is theta by 2, which can be written as the value of theta is cos inverse x square. Cos inverse x square upon 2. And this is equals to b. So u equal b upon 2. Now differentiate u with respect to b. We get 1 upon 2. This is your answer. When we solve the u, now we have a term which is equals to b. So we put b in place of this term. If it is not same as b, then first we will differentiate u with respect to x, then we will differentiate v with respect to x and divide both the answers and get du over dv and get the answer. So if on solving u, you get any term which contains b which is equal to b, then put v in place of that term and direct differentiate u with respect to v and you get the answer. Now see another question. Differentiate cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square with respect to tan inverse 3x minus x cube upon 1 minus 3x square. Same procedure we will apply. Let u equal cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square, and v equal tan inverse 3x minus x cube upon 1 minus 3x square. Put x equal tan theta, u equal cos inverse 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Which is equals to cos inverse cos 2 theta. Now this is cos inverse, this is cos, they will cancel each other. We get u equal 2 times theta. Similarly, b equal tan inverse 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta whole upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta. This is tan 3 theta. So this will become tan inverse tan 3 theta equal 3 theta. B equal 3 theta. Now differentiate. U with respect to theta, we get du over the theta equal to, and dv over the theta equal 3. Now du over dv equal du over the theta upon dv over the theta equal 2 upon 3. This is your answer. Similarly, you have to solve the other questions of the exercise. If you have any doubt in any question, then you can ask. Thank you.